All right, next I want to do an unboxing video. So this is the TN kit, the birthday kit from Scribble Prints Co. I think this is her second release because I actually missed all the TN kits. I didn't know she was doing that. Okay, so let's start off with the die cuts. Okay, so first you get the floral, and then you've got the really cute balloon, and then the champagne, the present, the little bow, and then another floral. Now these are all the vinyl die cuts, which she no longer does, I don't think, but really cute, good sized. Next you do get some tabs, so they match the paper, so it looks like you get 2 of each paper pattern. So then you get some journaling cards, so you get this floral one, you get this really cute girl, and she is double-sided, so whatever skin tone you prefer. You also get this little one, and it says happy birthday babe, then make a wish, and these are all single-sided. Next, here are the papers that you get. So you get 2 of each, and they are double-sided. So the first one is going to be the presents, really pretty, and then that is what the inside looks like. Next, you have the bows, and really cute with the gold. It almost looks like sequins, and then that is the inside. And then lastly, you have the floral, and then and then that is what the inside looks like. So some really plain ones along with some patterned ones, and then you got some, these could be vellum, but they are thick. And they don't make the same sound. So I'm assuming they're just printed paper, but she could be calling this vellum. I'm not sure. But you do get the bows, and then you get this really cute like banner pattern. So that, oh, and then you did get this card for the sneak peek, which I did end up purchasing this kit as well. She re-released it, so that is fun. So that is everything from Scribble Prints Co.